Introduction to the Learning Management System, LMS, bealcollege.online.edvance360.com. You can find the link to the page on the website bealcollege.edu or the student portal. If you don't know or have forgotten your username and password, you can send an email to ithelp@bealcollege.edu. Once you log in, you can see your dashboard with clickable buttons on the top of the page: Home, Courses, Communities, Calendar, Grades, and Help. The most important buttons will be on the button menu to the left of the page. Under Account, you can view your profile. You can also select to change your account settings and change your password if you need to. You can also click the Notification button and view your history, course announcements, and community announcements. To view the course list, click the Courses button on the top dashboard of the page. Then click the corresponding class on the page itself to view the course. You can view the class roster in the middle of the page. On the right, you can see and contact the course instructor, and below the instructor, you can view your Course Bible, or in other words, your course syllabus. On the left-hand corner of the screen, you can see a list of options to view. To name a few, your Lessons button, Resources and Discussion button, and so on. Once you click on the Lessons button, you can see a list of items in the page set up by your instructor in a given week. You can further click on the individual lesson set by your instructor to view the content uploaded related to the lesson. These can be a wide variety of media respective to the lesson. After you view or read the media, instructors will either upload a discussion board, quiz options, assignment options, or all three. On the main screen, you can click on the Discussion button on the left side of the main menu. You can view post forums and reply to discussion boards made by instructors or other students. You can either add a comment to an existing discussion, or you can create and post your own. If you have supporting documentation you'd like to share, you can upload from a file save drive in your computer located right below the Post option. Attention! You must hit the Save button at the bottom of the page in order to save your work. If you leave or close the page, your post will not be saved. Back on the main menu, on the left side of the page, you'll find the Dropbox button right underneath the Discussion button. You'll have options to drop in coursework related to the lesson plan number set by the instructor. All you do is click on the lesson Dropbox related to the assignment number. Then in the option that will appear to the right of the lesson plan, you can click Upload File to upload her given task. You can also upload multiple files by clicking the option right next to Upload File that says Upload Multiple Files for larger or multiple files. You can choose to add notes and then hit Submit. Attention! You must hit the Submit button to submit. If you do not, or leave the page before you do, it will not upload the work. On the main menu again, on the left side navigation menu, there is a Tests and Quizzes button to get your tests and quizzes uploaded by the instructors to complete. A list will be given related to the course numbered by the respectable lesson. Click the Start Test button to the right of the particular quiz. You will be able to start the test. Attention! Most tests and quizzes are only given once. If you log out before you finish the test, or you have lost connection during the test, you must contact your instructor for further direction. Click on the Home button on the top dashboard of the screen. You'll be brought back to the home screen. Right above the top dashboard to the right will be a box that will say Welcome and your name. Below that is an envelope-shaped button. On the screen it will take you to, you can click the green plus button on the right to compose a new message. On the next screen, type the intended recipient in the Recipients box, a subject in the Subject box below that, and then the message. You have the option to upload supporting files if you so choose, and then you click the Submit button. Attention! You must hit the Submit button or the message will not be sent. Attention! The LMS system uses internal communication only. If the recipient is not on the LMS system, you will not be able to connect with them. Please use your student email to contact those said people. If you do not know or don't have access to your email, please email IT at ithelp@bealcollege.edu. On the main menu on the top dashboard, click the Grades button, second to the right. You can view your grades for the courses you're enrolled in. If you don't see your grade, or if you believe your grade is wrong, please email the instructor directly to ask or get better clarification.